What's up, guys? I don't really know what to record today because, like, Matt's away right now, so I can't Skype with him. And like, I don't know how to build a proper faction base with actual protection. I'd probably just build something crappy that would like become ready in like 2 seconds. I don't know what to do. Let's see, dash battle. I actually not wasted, but I spent a lot of money what the frick? Why do I have 32 diamonds? Okay, well I got this fishing rod, which has look at the sea 3. So, and also dash fishing. I'm level 100. Just got it. I really like fishing in Minecraft. I don't know, it's just super fun. So we're gonna go dash spawn. Put these diamonds away because I don't know. I legitimately don't know where they came from. What the heck? Did I get them from somewhere? It's really weird. Oh, actually, okay, I'm gonna ask Push Up if we can have a 1v1 tourney. Push Pop. Can we have a 1v1 tourney? I'm gonna check the warps because there used to be a dash warp 1v1 tourney. So yeah. Push Pop. Boop. Might be checking something else right now. But, yeah. Oh, I got Prot 2 iron. Like, the reason I'm not building full diamond right now, first of all, I don't have the levels, and second, I'm scared I'm just gonna get killed, so I'm gonna wait till I have a base and then we're gonna, like, do some super enchanting episode and get, like, really good diamond stuff. Come on, Push Pop. What's up? Come on. 1v1 tourney. So, basically, what a 1v1 tourney is, let's do dash spin. Oh, that's not dash spin. Fail. So, what a 1v1 tourney is, everybody can participate in it, and so you get put up with like the most overpowered gear on the server against. Oh, swick! I want a hopper. It's actually awesome. We can use that for the cactus farm. So you get put up against someone, and like everyone in the server is there because it's all hype. And so the winner, if you like win rounds, it's like based on how many kills you get, like the prizes you get at the end of it. And then after we do like a free for all, man. It's like every man for himself, free for all, and it's really awesome. Is there a dash warp PvP? Huh. Why'd they get rid of the PvP warp? It's weird. That is very weird. I think I might, let's see. Let's do some fishing right now. I think I might want to get a new dwarven pickaxe, because it's like, yeah, it's kind of breaking. Actually, let's check this right now. If I take... Where the frick did I get all these diamonds? Like, rich man swag, boys. Okay, let's go home. We are going to, oh, frick, that was, nope, wrong button. Okay, we're here. What am I doing? Buy iron sword. Oh, yeah, I got lapis from fishing. That's an MCMMO thing. Really cool. Okay, so, dwarven pick. Okay. Holy crap, that's really good. Okay. I'm gonna wait till it's a little bit more damaged, and then we're going to repair it. Yeah, that's actually really awesome. Okay. Dash spawn. We are going to, we're gonna go mining, I think. Yep, that's what we're doing this episode. And hopefully we can build a base soon. That'd be, like, That'd be the best thing to do. So we're going to put away everything we don't need. We're going to take 1 gapple with us. 2 e-pearls. Because I really don't want to die. I can probably get water on the way there. We got wood, dirt, we can keep there. Gold ore I have to smelt. Lapis, can go there. Glowstone we don't need. Got plenty food. Yeah. I'm gonna, hey, this guy just came on. What the hell? Bro. 2 diamonds. Welcome. Seemed like a nice guy. A little newbie with the Alex skin, but I don't know. There's been a lot of people coming on this server lately. So, we're going to do Dash Wild. Boom! Okay, Extreme Hills. Sick boys. Teleported to that coordinates. Sick boys. Oh, wait. I've been here before. Whoa, oh my gosh. New base. Oh my god. Oh, wait. No. I've come to this base before. It got raided, clearly. What are they trying to accomplish? I don't understand. It's a really bad idea doing that. Okay. So we're pretty far out from oh, I rolled. Sick boys. Acrobatics 104. Hype. Okay, ooh, this... Not sure if this is rated or there's just not a lot of loot. Yeah, cactuses are pretty overpowered. Doesn't look like there's really anything in this. Huh. Weird. Let's get rid of that rabbit and going up in the world. Cause I'm up right now. Water, sick boys. Let's go mining there. Right there. Just kidding, that's not a cave. Whatevs, cook pork chop. Ah, that's not cooked. We need to get fire aspect on this axe. To do that. Actually, here, real quick. Tree feller, sick boys. Wood skill increased by 3. Holy crap, we ballin'. Is this a cave? Nah, just a tunnel thing. Ice? Nah, I ain't got silk touch. I know about that. No, already mined. Thought I saw a zombie. A Zambi. We should probably have blocks in our inventory. Lego. Speaking of blocks, I got that CD when I was fishing. Hype. Which is weird because I still have only level 1 treasure ranking. I'm not sure how that goes up or how that works. But yeah. Lego. And this was absolutely nothing. Awesome. Just kidding, it's not awesome. I think, yeah, that's most definitely a ravine. So in our way to that, we are going to eat some steak. Okay, sick boys, not rated yet. Except it doesn't seem to be very large. And yes, I know I skipped iron, but I don't care. I couldn't care less. Doesn't seem to really be anything. I guess we could just mine down. Oh, okay. There's a lot of iron. Seems to be going down now. We can use this to get our repair skill up. Jack that. Ooh, we're almost level 300 in mining. That's going to be hype. Actually, ooh. We should try blast mining. I'm going to get to a higher level and then try blast mining. Because from what I've read, it seems pretty hype. And all I've read is the, this dash mining. So, I'll have to see if it really is hype. We're going to go super breaker that joint, and boom, 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 boom. So far, nothing. Great. Sick. Gonna, oh, no, not a screenshot. We don't want that. Alright, we're only at 42 right now. I hate ghost blocks. Alright. Look at, have a stack of cactus in 2 minutes. Lol. Why are you laughing out loud at that? Such a weird thing to laugh at. People these days. Was that Cradle that said that? Cradle, I'm not sure about you. I'm just kidding. You seem like a nice guy. Alright, we got the cave. Okay. We mine the iron for the epic repair skills, and so we can get the salvage. That's another thing I want to go up to get salvage. Salvage is epic. It's just awesome. Oh my gosh, frick. Torch, work with me. Do this. I really want to get a silk touch pick. Silk touch picks are awesome. So we're going to get this, fortune through that bad boy up. So we can get lots of torches. A plethora, if you might say. Oh, come on. Come on. There we go. Should be enough torches for now. And we can always make more if needed. What the frick? Nope, come back. Whew! Sick boys. Oh, no, we freaking lost, boys. Too lazy to dig back up. Alright, torch. Oh, we found lava. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No way. Oh my gosh. Are you serious right now? Oh my gosh, is this an 8 vein? Okay, okay. Okay. Whew. Looks to only be a 4 vein, but... Oh my gosh. Really? That's actually ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Sorry for saying oh my gosh a lot, but seriously, oh my gosh. Just find diamonds immediately. Okay, fortune 3. Come on. 1. Oh, mining skill. Awesome, okay. So we got 1. Ooh, that was a 3. Oh, that was good. That was good. That was good. 15 from 5. I'll take it. Literally, fortune 3 is bae. Literally bae. Right here. Alright. Mine it up, up. Oh. Let's keep mining. Iron ore, decent. Not as cool as diamonds, but you know. You have to deal with it sometimes. Ooh, I saw more lava. I'm not x-raying, I just game glitched, so I saw lava. Deal with it. Over here. Are we gonna super break it? Let's super break it. Super break. Mrr. Oh my gosh, gravel is my worst enemy when super breaking. Literally. Literally the worst. Nope, diamonds, you stay there. Good diamonds. Let's keep going. What's my chords right now? 11? Cool. I like 11. Ooh, and lava. Sick boys. More iron. Okay. Grab that up. I really like mining. It's super fun. I've already said that, but I don't know. Mining is just really fun. Okay, there. Except for that. That's the worst part of mining. When you cover all the lava, then it's super dark. Super dark. Let's go. Yeah, dude, that's really cheap to repair this pickaxe. 2 diamonds, and it's only like 3 levels. Like, I can afford the diamonds, because, as you can see, diamond luck is on my side right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Did you see how huge that vein of iron was? That thing's huge. Oh my gosh. That was like a double vein, I think. Must have been. Maybe even a triple. I don't know, man. Crazy stuff. Torch. Oh, no. We freaking lost. Carbon pickaxe. Gold. We can sell gold, right? Yeah. We can definitely sell gold. Oh, gravel, you suck. One time I was playing a UHC with my friends. It was on a hypixel, so you have like 20 hearts. We were getting chased by the borders, so I was trying to get up and to the surface to run away. But gravel landed on me, and I lost all my hearts until I had 5. So we were like, dang it, dude, I don't know if we can win this game. That's brutal. So then we go into a 3v2 fight situation, and we lost. It was so bad. They had 2 players, and we had 3, and we lost. It was actually brutal. That was not one of our best UHCs. Actually, I think that might have been one of our only UHCs, like all 3 of us. Alright, torch. Okay, good, torch. Not finding anything yet except for gold. I want some more diamonds, because diamonds are bae. Okay, dude, we're gonna make this jump. Oh my gosh! Pro skills. I don't know. How did you? I'm such a troll. I'm such a punk. Oh my gosh. Actually, how did you die? I die a lot in factions, and when I do, I get really angry. I don't know at all. Okay, well, she doesn't know how she died. Oh, okay. Just gonna mind the language. Actually, don't mind it. I'm not sure what I'm saying. Okay, what are you supposed to say when, like, just don't look at the language. Just don't look at the language. Just don't do it. No. Oh my gosh. Alright. Super Breaker! Whee! Sick boys. I can't see crap. Oh, okay, we just mined coal. Sick boys. The random hole in the wall. I probably mined that, but still. Random holes for days. Iron. So, what's up in your guys' life? Tell me about it in the comments. I know you guys can't talk to me right now because I'm recording, but yeah, tell me in the comments. How are you guys? I just probably okay. No one cares that you died. Like, I cared a little bit when it happened, but then not anymore. So just chill, fam. Chill. I had really good stuff. Okay, well, get it back. Did you die in lava? Because if you didn't, then just go get it back. Make a time run. Well, then go to the location. You were AFK. Idiot. You probably got blown up by a creeper or killed by a player. She's like freaking out. I had 1 looting 3 sword and 2 looting 2 swords on me. Oh no, looting. Whoop de frickin' do. Like, I realized looting is a good enchantment and the best armor in the game. Okay. Just go to Nether, grind levels, and get it back. I don't know what else to say. That's what I do when I die. I just go to Nether, grind levels, get my stuff back. No point in telling everyone about it, because no one cares. Oh my gosh! Go to the Nether. How do you have rank armor? Yes, I'm Canadian. I spell armor like that. Don't judge. Because she's not a rank. At least not what I can see. Like, unless you killed someone for it. Frick. Magneta gave it to me. Well, like, you can still get rank armor. It just won't be called that. You can still get the enchantments and everything that it had. It just won't be called what it was before. Not frick. Before. I ran out of room to type. But diamonds and sick boys. Oh my gosh. How many was that? Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 or 6. I can't remember. 32 diamonds, 33 diamonds. Decent, and we got that from 15, so a little bit more than 15 we just got. Oh frick, we freaking lost. Oh my gosh. Boys. It's a lava situation. Okay. No diamonds there. Another bucket of water, and blop. Mine that up. And shall we continue? We got more lava here. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is a big lava pool. This is a big lava pool. But, doesn't look like we have any diamonds in it, which sucks. I know I sound pretty greedy right now. Getting so many diamonds. Alright, let's keep mining. So, now we're gonna go this way to the lava pool. I know, you never expected it. I know. So, water. And that's how to Minecraft. Water and torch. So, torch. I don't even know why I'm mining this anymore. Like, actually. Get rid of that. Do I? Okay, yeah. I thought I said diamonds there. Just kidding. Just andesite. And no one wants andesite, because andesite sucks. Actually, it's pretty cool when it's polished. Can't lie. My hips don't lie. Let's go lower. I always prefer to go lower in the caves, because higher diamond chance. That's just how it is. Redstone? No, no. Like hallucinating. Oh, there's redstone. Okay. And onwards we go. Lapis lazuli. Don't need that. A lot of gold. That's pretty hype. You know what? We're just gonna mine it to see if there's like diamonds behind it. Nope, no diamonds. And here, still no diamonds. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? That's ridiculous. How long have we been recording for? Like 28 minutes? Oh my gosh. This is insane. This is actually insane. The diamond luck is on my side right now. Literally crazy. I almost feel bad for mining these. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's check. Okay. First one. Second one. How many we got? 47. Not 15. Not as good as our other ones, but honestly, I can't even complain. Like, see if it's behind something? Okay. That just goes to show. Always mine behind redstone. Always do it. Because there's might be a chance there's diamonds there. Literally crazy. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Mine more iron. Whoop. There. And here. If there's more diamonds, I'm gonna cry. Alright. Mine that up. Can I make this jump? Parkour skills. Whoop. Here we go. And here. Right there. Okay, sick. No more lava. Bye-bye. Just gonna get that faster going. Go. Leave this place. No, why are you still here? No one likes you. Leave. Okay, there we go. I'm trying to be a little quiet because my brother's trying to sleep right now, so I don't want to wake him up. Here. There we go. There. Oh, that's a huge vein of iron. Oh my gosh. And the best part of this is smelting it all. Just kidding. That's the worst part. We need to make some room. That's just beautiful. Diamonds are beautiful. And so are you. Diamonds and my viewers are both beautiful things. I love you. No homo. So going over here. Oh my gosh. 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 What the frick? Oh. Oh. That was my last torch. Oh. Congratulations. Go to $1,000 with one ticket. She just got paid back for the lottery thing. Okay. Because it costs $1,000 to buy a lottery ticket, but she was the only one that entered. So, yeah. Alright, torch there. Okay, name tags, diamond horse armor, sick boys, cat. I don't want cat. Is there a mod on? Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do with this. I don't know what to do with this. Because I'm not a mod. I can't mine this. I'm not sure if LT pork chops would do it. Because are zombie spawners even worth it? I don't know how much rotten flesh sells for. I don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's worth it. Okay, I'm mining it. Okay. Well, that was cool, I guess. Well, it lasted. I think it's kind of dumb that you have to be a mod to mine spawners. I don't know why. Just like wild ones. You can still like mine player spawners, but yeah. Oh, more gold and iron. Torch it. Frick, torch it up. Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. My light chunks aren't loading. Okay. Lapis lazuli. We're gonna check if there's any diamonds behind you. Nothing? Okay, bye. No one likes you. We got 2 name tags though, so that's pretty hype. Lapis lazuli. No diamonds behind you. Okay, you're worthless. Lapis lazuli is literally the worst. Actually. Okay, we're gonna put that there. We're gonna come back over here. Mine up the iron and the gold. Num num. Here we go. Right there. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Almost fell. That sucked. Alright, mining the redstone. Any diamonds? Plus, I found. No diamonds, it looks like. It's okay. We can manage. How fast can I mine obsidian? Oh my gosh, I can mine obsidian decently fast. Alright, let's make history. Come on, diamonds. No, okay, whatever. No one likes you. Here. Right there. And we may continue on our journey. Whew. Can you imagine if I miss the jump, die? All our hard work go to a waste. Just kidding. It wasn't hard work. Go mining. Mining is really fun. If you ever want to get rich on faction server, there's probably better ways than mining, but mining's really fun. Go mining, please. I want someone to share my interest, please. I beg. Why are these veins of iron so big? Like, that's so strange. How long have we been going for? Alright, 37 minutes. Alright, I think we're gonna cut it there. We're gonna go dash spawn. Put this in our e-chest. Oh my gosh, no. Oh my gosh. We found an abandoned mine shaft. Dang it. We're not gonna be able to get back there. I didn't save the quartz. No! There was probably diamonds in that. That sucks. Alright. Put the diamonds in there. Okay, you know what? This is gonna have to happen. Taking all the diamonds. Granite, go away. We're gonna craft them into blocks. Because that's how we do. Come on. Come on. I was wondering how I got all my diamonds on the other server. Because, like, not the other server. It was just before, the update. And I was like, oh, probably from mining. But I didn't go mining. So it's weird. I don't know. I think it might have been just, like, from Kit member and stuff. Redstone. No, I'm not sure if I can sell redstone. If I can, it's probably for really cheap. We're gonna put the diamond horse armor in there. Actually, you know what? We're gonna auction it. Dash auc 1,000 with a $5 increase. Let's see if we have any takers. We're gonna go home. Hope someone takes it, because that'd be a cool $1,000. Alright. Iron. Gold. I think I'm gonna have to pull out the blocks. of coal, and that is exactly what we're gonna do. Put the iron sword there. Blocks coal. Just take that out. Block of coal. Take that out. Block of coal. Actually, what are we doing? What are we doing with our lives? Right here. Right here. We're gonna split this up so we go faster, because that's production. Oh man, no takers on the diamond horse armor. Whatevs. Oh frick, no. Okay, there. There. Oh, random gold. Don't mind if I do. Oh my gosh, random iron. Don't mind if I do. Think that's all the smelting we have to do. 64 gold. Why do I have this gold? I'm not sure. But we're gonna do this. We're not gonna make a bunch of oak planks because that's not helpful. And it wouldn't even be oak. Like, what the frick? It'd be dark oak. So, similar. They're like cousins. Oak and dark oak. Alright. We're gonna see how much money we can make off this. I'm not sure if I should sell some of my diamonds, because I could probably sell for a lot. But I'm not sure if I should sell them. I just kind of want to keep them all to myself, you know. With my rich man swag diamond block. It's pretty OP. Okay, there and there. And cool. So lots of redstone. I'm not a huge redstone guy, but we're gonna put some there for the savings. 5 gold there. Yeah, no, I guess we just gotta wait for all this crap to smell. Oh no, you need more coal. Boom. Get wrecked. There. There. Gold. Gold. Iron. Iron. Gold. Iron. 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 So much iron. Okay, while we're waiting for that to smelt, no sugarcane really to harvest. Whatever, we don't have our hoe, so we can't, use green Terra ability, which is okay. That is okay. No, nothing to fret. We're gonna throw that rock pork chop out. Everything else can go there. Gonna harvest some cocoa beans up. Yeah, best part of the video. Okay. So let's do this. What's my dwarven axe? Sharpness 1. We need to get that. We need to make that better. Because it does not stand up to the dwarven name, I guess you could say. We're gonna want to make that sharpness 5, fire aspect, and a breaking 3. There's probably something I'm missing. But, yeah, that's the idea. And maybe smite. Maybe a bit of smite. Smite's pretty awesome. Here. But yeah, smite, sharp 5, fire aspect 3, I think it is. Fire aspect 2, maybe. Yeah. That'd be ideal. Oh, so many cocoa beans. Like, literally all the cocoa beans. I wish there was a way for me, like, I know with herbalism, there's, like, once you get really high, there's a, like, you can do it with the green terror where, like, auto replants. Let's check, actually. Herbalism. Oh my gosh, why did I have caps lock on? Frick. Okay. Crops. Grow. Green thumb stage. What the frick? Okay, let's check this. T. So, highly in luck gives a small chance of finding rare items. Shroom thumb. Okay. Double drops, all herbs, double normal loot. What's my double drop chance? Not very high. Green Terra. Spreads the Terra 3 times drop. Ooh, what the frick? What do you mean spread the Terra? Autoplants crops when harvesting. Okay, yeah, that's green thumb. But it only works with wheat though. Kinda sucks. It should also work with cocoa beans. Oh. Mine up the cocoa. Almost done. And last one. There we go. None left? Okay, cool. Okay, get that, and awesome. Put this all away so we can harvest it later. What sucks about planting these down is that sometimes they glitch, so it's like you didn't actually plant them down. Then you gotta redo it, and it's just a hassle, and no one likes it. Like that just happened there. 23. Let's take the lower stack. And fists. You ready your fists? Too bad you can't use green Terra with your fists. Or else I would. But you can't. Cool. Replanted. Okay, so we got 3 stacks to sell. Take that iron. 14, 16, 17, 12, 24, and that. Not as much as our last haul, but our last haul we had been saving up for a while. So we're gonna get a bit of money with this. Here. We can make one more. Perfect. Is there anything else we need to take to sell? That gold. Okay, I think that's it. Dash warp shop. That's not how you spell that. That is completely wrong. Oh my gosh, literally. Alright, dash warp shop. And alright, start with the redstone. Yeah, no. Doesn't sell for a lot at all. And we'll be here for a while. Cool. Not selling diamond blocks today. Dude, emeralds sell for a heck of a lot. If you want to get rich, villagers, emerald all day. Ooh, dude. 1 diamond block sells for a lot. Alright. 1 gold block. Doing gold blocks now. There we go. Iron. Cool. Gold ingots. Now cocoa beans. Think, yeah, that's food. Go up here. And sell the cocoa beans. Now let's hear a bell after all this. Dash. Bell. That's our highest bell ever. Sick. Sick. Alright, so with that, I'm going to end us off. Make sure, well, I mean, you don't have to, but if you want to, you can subscribe. It would help out a lot, and it'd boost my morale to make more videos. And if you do subscribe, why not like it too? You know, just something to think about. Not forcing you. Just think about it. And, yeah. See you guys later. Bye-bye.